namhlanje ngiphethe inyawuthi yami ungayibona iveti kanje bechawa umentshisi le ngesikhathi se-IFP ne-ANC le ubonkati bacishe bakunquma chief
idlule le moto le mayidlula ayingibheke phakathi but yabona ubheke ngithi le car le yadlula iva kancane kanje abantu bakhona bagcoke ama-overall so yabo mangithi xa yabona iparabellum angithi ne-light ne ngibone nje le out le emovie yehla parabellum ithi ayasho hey le out le yazi ukuthi hayi mawuduthula bram le outlet emayishaya one shot ngiyagijima ngilandela so ngiyazibuza mina ukuthi LS2 longena kuphi
no
ithi 2 ngithi yo LS3 longena kuphi hey 5 bile kareni ayi ngithi mase sengithi ngiyavela lapha moto khona seyibalekile angasurvive
uya kanjani ihlika kanjani lento ngoba manje i-gravy train akukho ukuzisola ukuthi ebafethu labantu nawo bayahlafuna manje asibeke nje blind straight kuyahlafuna manje
yabona one thing that I want to tell you mina mangena emzabalazweni I didn't know nothing bengena nje just ukuthi sibe right yabona sithole freedom special njengabantu abamnyama yabona I never knew mina ukuzoba nabo mayor MEC what director general I never knew ukuzoba nento bengithi nje siyalwa then we want to be free
uneimoto more than 20 chief thenga imoto zama 3.5 million ustrong egas uyaduma eGrootman
ukuthi mina ngisumuntu onobutsotsi yabona ngibe nginobutsotsi bengizothi labanikazi becompany okay ngigayeni nyuko bathi nosizokuboleka imali ngoba siyabona ngathi ushayekile ukuya ku December bengizothi ngigayeni ngasaboni ngathi no that won't be a blessing yabona singahambe yabona asivule ibusiness yami man abantu bebacabanga ukuthi ngisangene phuma uzokuyahlekwa umuntu ufanele uzobanye bathi uthatha ngechance but I told myself that they are building my courage angeke ngiyeke yazi mina bengigeza endlini ngivuka ingazi ngaphi ngithi makangihlali la endlini angihlali
corruption is very rife and corruption has become a center of our livelihoods siphila every day but you can't duck and dive ifane oxygen left and right uyangapha and awukhona ungena entweni without ukuthi sometimes jobs for sex yonke lenyaka le corruption in fact it disadvantage because the business yakho was flourishing of course but obviously there were limitations
yabona abodakishawa yini mele umuntu ungathanda imali thanda lento oyenzayo bengithanda
siyafunda chief
thanda lento oyenzayo
committed
don't make money for exposure izokushaya I don't know at some point abantu bebathi umuntu amathenda angazithenda mina I don't know even ukuthi iform yakhona uyicomplete kanjani
but why sesingasanabo abantu abaphilayo Grootman yes bazothi iskimu yahlanya ngoba siyaphefumula sonke ngikhuluma umuntu ophilayo
bathi babhizi
umuntu abasebenzi leso sikhathi awazi babhizi ngani
asazi mathenda and aswafuni singabafuni yabona azane indaba nyana yabona singabafuni mina I'm not a greedy person ngiakhele isikole ama-classrooms akhele isikole ama-libraries akhele isikole business
la ithathwa serious le but umuntu into angayisipanelanga kuvele kube leyo nto ile nto engiyibona ngalo mjolo wamanje baloku bathi hayi hey yonke into is transactional whatever
skeleton money people they can't see ukuthi banemali which is skeleton money business skeleton money you go to churches like manje ngihamba ama-churches I want to empower ama-churches ukubonisa ukuthi phakathi lapho kunemali engayiboni
a circulator
ikhona imali ye-circulator aniyiboni and inganisebenzela uthi skeleton money